Hi guys, we are excited to announce that Chanun Compressor will be exhibiting at the Dubai Automechanika. This time we are bringing our two star products, C6GK and C6DE. As a 20-year experience original manufacturer, 60% of our products are exporting to worldwide.
Now we have got CE and ASME certificates.
Chanun Compressor auto stop at set pressure, and we promise any rusty-free warranty. And with optional 10-year warranty, the noise level as low as 59 dB. And we take quality inspection before delivery. If you like to meet Chanun, please visit us from the 9th December to the 11th December 2025 at Dubai. The booth number is S1 to 1540.